Here's why you should never ignore vehicle brake noise. Brake noise often comes from our brake pads getting worn down. It happens. If you ignore that, we can run into issues with the caliper pistons. We run into issues with calipers on top of a brake rotor and pad job. You run into double the cost. Also on top of that, it is not safe when you push your brake pads that far. We never want to get to metal on metal. It happens, but we do not want to get there. If your vehicle has any brake noise, give us a call at Jerry's Automotive at 517-393-7240 or book online at JerrysAutomotive Lansing.com.